In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a lined page interior for your Amazon KDP notebooks in Adobe Illustrator. And actually, if you would like to purchase this only for $1, I'll leave it in the description below. But make sure to stay till the end of the video, as I've got a small discount code for you to use. So my name is Rory. If you haven't been here before, I run this channel called Mr. Rosa, and I like to teach you ways on how to create notebooks and talk about money on this channel. So if we dive straight into Adobe Illustrator, as you can see here, we have a create new file open. So what you're going to want to do is use the size 6.125 inches by 9.25, as that would include bleed options for when you go and upload it on the Amazon KDP website. So if we go and click create, and as you can see, yep, that looks like a normal page size. So next, what you're going to want to do is go over to the rectangle tool, right click there and go to line segment tool. Now first, leave a bit of space from the top, as that is what you normally see with most lined paper, and just drag a line and make sure it is straight going all the way across. So if I move down, yep, that is straight, then deselect. And then what you're going to want to do is select it, hold Alt and just drag down a little bit until you have the required space that you want. Now all you've got to do now is hold Command and click D. Now for people on Windows it will be Control, but yeah, so for me, Command D and just hold that all the way down to the bottom. But make sure at the bottom you leave a bit of space, so if I delete that one there, yeah, that is good for me. Now what you're going to want to do is get rid of that black, because that is a bit too black for me. So if I go over to swatches, I've already got it open here, just click on this grey one. Yeah, that is the kind of colour I would like. So then what you're going to want to do is go back over to the line tool, right click, go over to rectangle tool. Now this will make more sense when we go over into Keynote further on in the video, but just highlight a box over the lines. Now make sure down here that you have no colour selected, so you can't see it. Next, what you're going to want to do is move over into Keynote. So if I go over to Keynote here, click New Document, and then go into White Presentation. And then what you're going to want to do is delete these two boxes as they are not needed. Now, as you can see, the size isn't quite correct yet, so go over to Document, then go down to Slide Size, and click Custom Slide Size. Now, as you can see, it's done in points here, so we need to convert that. So if we go back onto Google Chrome, I already have it open. If we go 6.125, so 6.125 inches to points is 441. So click Command C, go back into Keynote, Command V, and then same thing for 9.25. So 9.25 is 666. So Command C, back into Keynote, Command V. Now as you can see, that is now looking like the right size, and I'm just going to zoom out a bit so it's easier to observe. And then go back into Adobe Illustrator, highlight the whole thing, then click Command C, back into Keynote, highlight the white box, Command V. Now very simple next step, all you've got to do, highlight the slide, Command C, then Command V, all the way down to, I like to use 120 pages. So I'm just going to hold that down, and as you can see, it is duplicating the pages. So there we go, now we have 120 pages. All you've got to do now is when you upload onto Amazon KDP, you always upload a PDF file. So I'm just going to go File, Export to, PDF, image quality best, next, and yeah, just put it wherever you want. So for me, I have a folder for notebook interior, so I'm just going to put lined page, and then we got to do export. So creating PDF, and there we go. So now if I go back into that folder, and there it is. There is the lined paper, straight away able to upload onto Amazon KDP to be sold on Amazon UK, Amazon.com, every Amazon you could think of. So if you found that video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, it means the world to me. It doesn't take you half a second to do. And the special surprise that I had for you, if you copy that discount code there, it will allow you to buy this lined paper for free straight away, no problems, just to use straight away on Amazon KDP. So yeah, once again, found that video useful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and well, hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.